Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So you know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. So, as you would have seen in the title, we're out here by the Draxhall area in St. Anne's. Draxhall is one of the fastest growing area in St. Anne's for sure. And probably apart from Portmore, one of the fastest growing area in Jamaica. You know, the house prices in St. Anne's, Ocho-Rios, is skyrocketing right now. Even the Draxhall Manor, which is next door to this development, those prices have gone to 50 mil JMD, 60 million JMD, even 70 million Jamaican dollars. Crazy. But Draxhall, crazy development, fast development. So they're creating a commercial hub outside of the Ocho-Rios town. They have a lot going on, a lot of plazas, a lot of shops. KFC, KFC, Quartz, Starbucks, Akuro, Express Fitness. So anything you can think of, they have it here. But if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe. That's the cheapest or the easiest way to support the channel. It's free. Remember to like, comment and share as well. Go over to my new channel, because I'm a realtor with Keller Williams Jamaica. Go over to my new channel, Jamaica Properties for Sale. I'll put the link in the comment. That's where I'll put properties that are for sale in Jamaica, properties that I'm selling as well. So go over there, support, show your love. If 2,000 people watch this video and just click on that link, that's 2,000 persons on that channel. I really appreciate it. So we're gonna take a drone view of the area, show you what's going on in the different areas, the different development, and it's a lot going on. So for the entire stretch, it's just plaza after plaza after shop after plaza, and then with that, you know, a lot of residential development will come as well, and they're not going to be cheap. I'm sure all of them is going to be over 35 mil. But they say, you know, if I sit down and complain, I won't reach anywhere. So we just have to do what we have to do and work with the changing growth in the real estate market and position ourselves as well. So if you're not yet a property owner, now is the time. Prices are not getting less. And if you know someone buying or selling or renting, give me a call. So Draxhall, St. Anne's, Jamaica. Yeah, so stay tuned for the drone video. I appreciate you guys. Alright, so just a little ground video before I send up the drone. So CPJ, they produce different meat kinds, pork. Have a restaurant up top, Cloud Olympia. They have Starbucks right here, KFC around the corner. You know, Jamaicans can't survive without KFC. They have Express Fitness across there. So a lot of different complexes. You have Quartz around the back hiding. So yeah, stay tuned for the drone video. We're gonna set up the drone shortly.